Alright guys, so this weekend didn't go that well. If you don't know already, I blew the motor in the truck. So I ran it Friday for 2 time trials or whatever, just playing around, did a little grudge race with one guy, and truck ran good. I was running all out then. And then Saturday rolled around and did the 1 time trial, and truck still running good. Went round 1, 2, and I went out to Darlington with Dusty Carroll, and me and him actually had to face each other 3rd round. So we pulled up there and I got him off the tree by a little bit. We got down to the end of the track and we was a tight race, and then about 100 feet from the finish line it just went doo, 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 doo. And I thought it was the drive shaft immediately, so I eased off to the side along the barrier wall and got out, looked underneath the truck. Drive shaft still hooked up, didn't see anything leaking underneath. Pulled the hood off, and immediately from my PCV vent on the valve cover saw it was smoking out of it. Pulled the oil cap off and it was piling smoke out of there. So got it pulled off the track, back around to the trailer, went to go start pulling the spark plugs. Pulled number 1 spark plug out, and yeah, so probably broke a rod or piston, and it slammed into the spark plug here, probably beat the heads all up. So truck's gonna be down for a bit. I'm gonna pull it apart, see if the block is salvageable. If the block's salvageable, I'll reuse it and just build me a nice bottom end. If not, I got another spare stock motor that I sold a buddy a while back and he still got it, so I'll probably buy it back from him if I need a block, and should be up and running pretty quick if I do that. But if I go through the trouble of pulling out and building the motor, I'm gonna tear the whole truck down, redo the whole entire truck, and get it back together. So depending on what I find when I tear it apart, we'll decide what we're going to do with it. So if you want to see the tear down video and all the carnage it did to the motor, stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a video where I pull the heads and everything off and see what broke and how bad it tore it up. So stay tuned for that video. Hit the like, subscribe, and follow along as we get it back fixed up and running.